So how do we do quadratic inequalities? Quadratic function siya, for example, x squared minus 2x minus 8, for example, is greater than or equal to 0. So, first, it is essential that everything is equal to 0 kapag ka quadratic or higher. Pag linear, okay lang. Kasi pag linear, we basically just solve for x in here. Now, for quadratic, let's factor this out. X minus 4, x plus 2 greater or equal to 0. Therefore, what are the two critical values, guys? 4 and negative 2. Very good. Kaya lang ito, inequality to, not an equation. So what I do here is, so here, critical values are x is 4 and negative 2. Bakit? They are the roots kasi. So if they are the roots, what I would do here is, I create a number line. Starting from negative infinity, ano una, di ba? Negative 2, followed by 4, followed by infinity. Tama? Kasi when you draw that, parang ganito eh. Negative 2, positive 4. So anything less than negative 2 is negative 2 up to infinity. Between 2 and 4, between negative 2 and 4, and then 4 going to infinity is the right side. Now, guys, what I will do here is, on the left side of this table of signs, I would put the factors that I have. So this is x minus 4, x plus 2, and then I'll write a line. And then this is the function of x, or sometimes y, di ba? What is the value of the y? Okay. So, exactly equal to negative 2, what zeros out? Can you tell me? What term zeros out? Very good. X plus 2 zeros out. At exactly 4, what zeros out? The term x minus 4. So what we'll do is, let's think of a test value. Can you give me a test value? Even one column only. Less than negative 2. What's a test value? X is, if you want negative 5, it's okay. Negative 10, it's also okay. It's up to you. So let's try. Negative 5 minus 4, what is the sign? Negative. Negative 5 plus 2, it's also negative. So now, for the second column, it has not reached 0 yet. So what should be the sign here on top? Negative. And then it passes through 0 going to the other column. What will it be? Positive. Very good. Sa bottom, what are the signs for the table? Both are positive. Now look at this. Negative sign being multiplied or divided, basta it appears even number of times, what should it be? Positive. The next would be negative. The next would be positive. Now, let's review what is required. What is required is greater than or equal to 0. When will it be greater than or equal to 0? If it is positive. So, that means what I would do, guys, is this. From 2 going to negative infinity, from 4 going to positive infinity. Now, does it have an equal sign? Yes. Since it has an equal sign, what does it imply? Included. So what should be the symbol? Brackets. Very good. Both should be brackets. Now, how do I write this in interval notation form? Interval notation, please. Negative infinity up to negative 2. Ito bracket. Again, infinity is always parenthesis. Union from 4 going to positive infinity. How do we write this, guys, in terms of solution set notation? X such that one of your x's is less than or equal to negative 2. the other x is greater than or equal to 4. Okay. So let's go to another one. Quadratic pa rin. So if we're solving this one, guys, dapat 0 yung one side, right? Therefore, x squared minus 4x minus x minus 24 is less than or equal to 0. So x squared minus 5x minus 24 is less than or equal to 0. So first, let's factor this. The factors are 8 and 3. Can you follow? Therefore, what are the critical numbers, guys? What are the roots? 8 and negative 3. Very good. So what I will do here is negative infinity. Next is negative 3. Bakit kailangan negative 3 muna? Hindi ba pwedeng 8 ang una? Pwede ba or not? Bawal. Kasi dapat in the order siya of number line. So here, some of you might ask, sir, pwede bang x plus 3 yung mauna sa factors? Okay lang kasi factors lang naman sila. Pero in the number line, it has to be arranged properly. Okay, guys, can you tell me what zeros out in x equals negative 3? The x plus 3 term. What about the 8? The x minus 8 term. Very good, everyone. Okay. So can you give me a test value, guys? Test value. Negative. Okay lang, guys, kahit negative 4, negative 10, okay lang. Ako ginagawa ko nga extreme so that okay lang, 'di ba? Makita nyo talaga yung extreme kung ano siya. So let's try. Negative 10 minus 8, give me the sign. Very good, negative. Negative 10 plus 3. Negative also. So what would be the sign of the second column? Yung upper muna ha, upper muna. Negative. What about this one? Third column. Positive. Very good. What about the second row? Very good. Both positive. Nag-change na siya ng sign. Can you indicate to me bakit nag-change siya ng sign pagtapos ng 0? Because, kasi di ba, guys, look, can you give me a test value between negative 3 and 8? A test value between negative 3 and 8. What do you think is a test value? Negative 1. 0 na lang. Di ba madali ang 0? Na mo ha, 0 minus 8, negative siya. 0 plus 3, positive siya. Kasi nga, once it already passes through 0, you will notice there is a change in signs. Do you understand? Okay. What are the signs here at the bottom? Plus, and then minus, and then plus. Now, what is the question? The question is less than or equal to 0. So, which column do I consider? Yung positive na dalawa as second column. Very good. So, if I were to draw this, I will draw also negative 3 and 8. And then, ang naka-check yung 3 and 8, edi I will connect them. It has an equal sign, right? Since it has an equal sign, what does it mean? Brackets. Very good. So that means, am I correct in saying na the interval notation is negative 3, 8, both are brackets? Tama. O tell me naman, guys, what would be the solution set notation? X such that what? E di gawin natin, x is greater than or equal to negative 3, but less than or equal to 8. Okay? This is how you write the solution set notation.